Alright, so I guess the camera stopped on me. I am now pulling the distributor out. I just got the carburetor off. The coil is off. The battery is off. The valve covers are off. Let's see if I can get this hose off. These are old clamps, so I'm assuming that this is probably the original shit. Get these pliers open. Oh, excuse me. Not all the way halfway is enough. I don't want this popping off like that. Like that, yeah, see? That's just what I was afraid it was going to do. Okay, off. Off the radiator numbnuts. It's not going off. No, maybe I better lower it down a little bit more. Okay. Try it again. Stop locking back. I don't like these clamps. I never did. It's like a big ass piece of steel. And they're very awkward to get them off. Come on, dopey. Nope. All right, there's one, there's two. There we go. It's one clamp, and there goes the hose. All right, now, hopefully the other one will be just as easy. Let me get the distributor out, seeing since I've already got it loose. This may cut off on me in about 25-30 seconds. So I just want to get this thing started. Actually, I think I'm going to have to shut it off right now. All right, the distributor is out. All right, I'll be back. I got to delete some files.